Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dr. Mukul sangmau loong badewan ailat bakaan kan le yak Pyndonkam hakabay de baka jing toket yak jingja kanra ka farmhouse balalong try do Vice President ka BJP Meghalaya unit o Tnad and Marang. Uloong babaro kide banting ya kaan banting ya ununu brio Shimet na markaan kadon ya la ka jong ka Bynta banle. Uloong bahagabaya de bat kani ka jingja kaan hi kan le yak Pyndonkam la ka long tang ka jingsha kano ni ka badale shisha. Uloong ru ba de ban Pyndonkam Bakla ki Tnad Pulit na ka Bynta ka Jingmyntoi Shimet. Ulapan pau ka jinglingo baka BJP ka badon baka sorkar kala kano baka sorkar kala Pyndonkam Bakla ki bor Pulit wat haba ka BJP ru kadon nang hapo ka sorkar bat kani ka jingkano jong ka BJP kala penlingo iki pajba bat penlong iki pajba bakin tharai badon shisha ka jingle politics hapo ka sorkar.
See, in as far as law is concerned, everybody must fear the law. I always used to share this particular stand, which should be the stand of everybody. Nobody is afraid of anybody. We should not fear any individual, but we should fear the law. Why should anybody fear the law? Because law has its own course, and we always refer that law has long hands. And the law of the land must prevail to create a strong deterrence for any perpetrators or those who have the tendency to participate or associate themselves with any of the perpetrators of any crime. Now here, if we go by what are the available inputs being shared by the law enforcing agency, I think the overall course of the case will indicate as to whether it was a vendetta or otherwise. We'll have to allow the law to take its own course, but at the same time, it will be unfair for anybody to jump to a conclusion even before allowing the law to take its own course. But I would like to be very candid on this. That if BJP and NPP they are having stand, and then the stand is being countered by the other political, but they are in the same government. And rather than telling the people or rather in engaging in those activities to which amounts to playing to the gallery, I think they must look at what exactly has happened, because they are in the government. They should find out what exactly has happened, whether it is the BJP or the individual leaders of the party. Let them find out what exactly is happening, and then let the people of the state be assured that any law enforcing agency cannot be misused and will not be misused. If today we go by the statement of the BJP leadership, then we can, the public have to have the apprehension that they themselves have reasons to believe that government is misusing the law enforcing agencies. That is a very dangerous input, and that is a matter of great concern. So therefore BJP has to come out clean on the kind of substantive evidence based on which they have indicated these, that it is nothing but misuse of, if they are saying that it is a political vendetta, that means it is a misuse of the government machinery. And the bigger concern here is that if this misuse revolves around the law enforcing agencies, and if this can be done to political leaders of none other than a national party like BJP, then what is going to happen to the common man? So therefore common man has to ask question whether it is a fact that this government is engaging in misuse of the law enforcing agencies as alleged by the BJP. They must come clean.